Well, in the first episode of this series, I talk about three income streams which you can consider and which you can build while working 9 to 5. Now, today in this episode, I will be talking about three more ways which you can build while working 9 to 5. And starting with the number one is niche blog or a newsletter. So, the number one in my list is niche blog or a newsletter. Now, this is best for those who are having strong hold on any topic or a vast knowledge about any subject. If you are having a strong hold and vast knowledge about any subject, you can consider building a newsletter around it. And for that, you don't need to invest money or code a website. You just need to sign up on a platform called Substack, pick a topic, and start posting on weekends. And once you start getting attention and once you reach a basic level of audience, you will start receiving money through paid subscriptions, ads, and I would say sponsorships as well. So this is the number one. The number second stream in my list is doing affiliate marketing via short content. So I would say in this way you will be recommending products to people by creating short content around it. For example, you can create an Instagram page about fitness and you will start recommending useful products to people with the help of those reels which will be highly influencing and those posters which will influence your audience. And whenever someone buys through that link, you will receive your commission. So this is the second income stream which you can consider while working 9 to 5. And the third and the most important in my list is building a simple AI tool. Now, after hearing like you have to build a simple tool or you have to build an AI tool, you start thinking like, oh, I'm not a coder or I don't have money enough. Well, I would love to say that, and I am telling you that to create an AI tool, you don't need to be a coder or you don't need to have capital investment these days. With the help of free AI tools like Lovable, Replit, N8N, you can build a small AI software that can solve a real problem for the people, and for that you are going to get paid. You can consider building an invoice generator, study assistant, content planner, or resume builder. So these are the ways which you can consider if you are working 9 to 5 and if you want to earn or start or create a new stream of income for yourself. Now if you want to check the first episode of this series, you can click the description and check out the video through the description of this video. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.